Hey guys, we're out here in the shop at Rudy's, rebuiltmags.com. As you know, I've been working with them for a little while now. I've been mostly doing carburetors, but I've branched off into Magnetos. He's been kind of mentoring me into the Magneto side of things, and I just finished up a H4 for a customer, and here's what it looks like all done. And I don't know if my camera frame rate is fast enough, but I'm going to go ahead and fire it up on the bench so you can see it live and working. So, forgot what I was going to say. Let me go ahead and fire it up. Let me slow it down, maybe that'll help. Yeah, the camera frame rate just won't keep up with the spark. But there you go. It's working good. And next on the list, I think we're going to do some Fairbanks mags. So we'll do a time lapse of that. So stay tuned. More to come. Okay, guys, this is a Fairbanks-Morse Magneto, and we got to take all the internals out of this, the rotating mechanism and everything out of this, and install it into this core, because as you can see, this Magneto mounts upside down like this, and we need a right side up Magneto. So what I'm going to do is disassemble this, we'll clean up this core, it's already been stripped, and then we'll transfer everything over and install all new parts. So let's go ahead and get to work. Okay, now what I have to do is press this bearing out. So I'll do that really quick and this will be disassembled. Alright guys, well, the impulse is really nice, so this is just going to get cleaned. I'm not going to sandblast it at all. There's no rust on it or anything. The impulse coupling, same thing, really nice. I'll just wire wheel it and clean it up. So those two items won't need to go to the sandblast. The housing itself, that will go into the sandblast, as well as the nut for the impulse coupling and the small timing gear, just to clean that up. So let's go ahead and do that. I don't think I'm going to take the camera with me, just because it's a pretty simple process. You just sandblast it. So we'll do that and come back and start reassembling. Alright, we've got everything cleaned up. We're starting to go back together. The rotor and shaft are back in. The impulse coupling is back in. So let's keep going. Guys, sorry I skipped a lot of the reassembly, but I can't show you everything, you know. So I had to get that thing together so that I could get home and clear the snow, because we got another 8, 10, 12 inches while I was at Rudy's working. So we are gonna go home, get some food, get some water and hydrate, and then say hi to my wife, and from there we'll start clearing some snow. Hopefully I can get it all cleared tonight. Otherwise it may be tomorrow that I have to do some work with the Farmall, because the lights don't work on it. So we'll just have to play it by ear. I don't have much daylight left, so it's already after 5 o'clock, and by the time I get home it'll be 5, probably 5:45, if not 6 o'clock, so depending on how the roads are. But so far they're pretty good. Anyhow, we'll see you guys when we get home, and hopefully there'll be some snow plowing. Alright, talk to you later.
Another nice H4 mag then. How's it running?
Runs like a champ.